In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And the cool thing is that you can do this on literally any version of Roblox that you have, whether you're using the browser version, application, or whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So if I go over to my Roblox application, just going to enter my PIN real quick. It's going to look something like this. If I press more on the bottom right, I'm going to see a lot of different options. But what you're going to have to do, you're not going to see any option for redeem right here. You only see an option to buy gift cards. So what we're going to do is go over to our browser of choice. I'll be using Google for this. And what we want to do is go over to a specific website. We're going to go to roblox.com and then it's going to be /redeem. Then once you go ahead and type that in, it's going to say redeem Roblox gift cards and codes. And all you want to do is make sure you log in to your account over here. So make sure you log in, otherwise it's not going to work properly. You don't want to put it on the wrong account. And then all you want to do is enter your Roblox code right here. And then as soon as you do, your account, like your funds are going to instantly be on your account, ready for you to use on the app as well, even if you want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.